Hello students and families, Miss McCall here with a quick math moment just to go over some understanding of our home learning packages and ensuring that we're practicing our tools and strategies we use in class. So last week you would have received your April math booklet. You'll notice that we do have a pacing out of how many pages per day, just so that you have enough to do over the time period, and we will of course be giving you another one in just a short period of time. If you look inside, we're doing a lot of adding and subtracting operations for this booklet, and I will go over strategies in just a moment that we do use in the classroom so parents are familiar. Just so you are also aware, math has a lot of language we use. The words we like to use for addition are plus, in all, sum, and join. So if we're adding numbers together, it's of course combining. With subtraction, the language we often use is take away, less or minus, and the answer of course is called the difference. So students will be aware of many strategies that we use in the classroom, and just for parents to know as well. We do use a number line, and that's where you might start on a number, and then if you were to count ahead, 1 plus 2, you would then go ahead 2 more. 1, 2, which leaves me at 4 for my answer. So use of a number line where you can plot. We also use a hundreds chart, and these are in the students' planners. These are very useful because we can also use them for things like skip counting. And that's when we go, say, by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's quite a bit harder than just going by tens though. Grade 1, 2s would be very fast at that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And keep in mind, parents, when you're teaching skip counting, you're often teaching concepts that relate to teaching money. So you could also pull out some nickels and some dimes, even some quarters, and do some skip counting there. As well, sometimes drawing a picture is an effective strategy. So if you've got a question that has a certain amount of objects, you might draw them. For example, the apples here. We've got apples, you can draw a picture and then solve the problem by drawing a picture. Remember, another strategy we have is 0. Whenever 0 is added to a number or taken away from a number, it just is a big nothing. The number stays the same. We also have friends of 5 and 10, and that's where you get into your skip counting numbers again. So you've got your 5s and your 10s. So those are good strategies for when you're adding and subtracting. Another popular one is our doubles. Doubles are when we do 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, any number that is repeated. So doubled. And of course, we can learn those. Those are quick patterns for us. And also, doubles plus 1 is very popular too. So you know the double and then you just add 1. The children likely will have one of these, or you could make one, just a double strategy sheet. So it's really important that we take time to do math every day. If you can go on to ABCYA Math, that's a great educational site as well. And looking for real math opportunities in your home and in the community. So math is really interesting and fun. The other workbook we have for this month is measurement, and I will make a separate video on the measurement video coming up next. Thank you, friends, and have a great day.